In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make two images the same size in Canva. If you've been working on a project and need to ensure that your images match in size, Canva provides a straightforward way to achieve this. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open Canva and head over to your dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to either start a new design by clicking on Create or continue with one of your recent designs. Choosing recent designs can save you some time if you're working on an ongoing project. Once your design space is open, the next step is to find frames. On the left side of the Canva interface, you'll notice a panel with several options. Click on Elements, and in the search bar that appears, type in Frame. Frames are a fantastic tool in Canva because they provide a placeholder that automatically resizes photos to fit. This ensures uniformity across your images. After searching for frame, click on See All to browse through the various frame options available. Canva offers a wide selection, but what you need to look for is two frames that are identical in size. This can involve scrolling through the frames to find the perfect match. Once you spot two frames that suit your needs, simply click to add them to your design space. With your frames in place, it's time to add your images. You have two main options here. Click on Uploads if you want to use images you've previously uploaded from your device, or choose Elements to search Canva's extensive library for new images. Both options work well, so it really depends on whether you have specific images ready or are looking for something new. At this point, you should have your images ready in the side panel. The final step is to drag each image into the frames. This is a simple yet crucial step. By dragging your images over and dropping them into the frames, Canva will automatically adjust them to fit the frame size. This ensures that both images end up being the same size, as determined by the frames you selected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly make two images the same size using Canva's intuitive design tools. It's a great way to maintain consistency in your projects. Whether you're designing a presentation, social media post, or any other form of creative work. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create beautifully uniform designs with ease. Thanks for watching and happy designing!